Hi there! Today we're going to learn about how to add a Facebook page onto our Wix website. So here I am in the site's dashboard, so I'll just choose the website that I want to edit and just go ahead and click on Design Site. Just wait for the website editor to load. After that has loaded, we will click on Settings, so we will find Social Share. Then once we click on Social Share, a dashboard will pop up, and then we can insert our Facebook details right here. So if you go ahead and change your site address, your site name, then we'll just scroll down until we find Facebook username. So in this area, we will just need to enter the Facebook page that you want to include on your Wix website. And then after inserting your Facebook page, you can just click on it and just close this. And then we can find a section here where we want to put our Facebook page. So I can just put it right here below the text slider. Just click on Add Section, and then we'll proceed to the sidebar and click on Add Elements. Then we will find Social. Here is the social option, and then we can see that it has a variety of options. And since we're focusing on Facebook, we can just click on Facebook, and then you can see different options right here to add some Facebook specific elements to our website. As you can see, you can input some comments, you can input the Facebook page, you can input some like buttons, and you can input some share buttons. So you can just choose which one that you like. For example, this one is the newsfeed of a Facebook page, and then this one is just a mini display of the Facebook page. I will just click on this Facebook page mini option, just drag and drop it to the website. And then once it's on the website, you can go ahead and rearrange it whatever you want. You can also insert the other element right here, the bigger one, which is this one, the news feed. And then you can go ahead and rearrange this where we want it. And then once we're happy, we can add a page name, and then we can hit the layout. We can show the profile picture, show the news feed, show the headers. You can also have transition effects if you want. That way, when the page loads, the transition effect will happen in the website. So once you're done, you can just click on save, then you can just click on preview. And you can see on our Wix website that our Facebook page has now been added. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned how to add your Facebook page on your Wix website. And thank you for watching.